subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable smartphone under Narzo series in Malaysia called Realme Narzo 30 with a stylish rear design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 30 supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 90.5% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, coupled with Mali G76 MP4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme Narzo 30 features a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP black and white sensor and another 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports ultra image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W dart charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 75.4 by 9.4mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 30 has been priced in Malaysia at 799 Malaysian ringgits. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in racing blue and racing silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.